Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I have a quick and easy DIY mask for you today, and you only need 2 ingredients for this mask. The first ingredient we're going to need is turmeric, and the second one is sour cream. I have about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric in here. I'm going to go ahead and add about a spoon of sour cream in it, and I'm going to mix the two together. I'm using enough foundation brush to mix the two together. I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my face. And as usual, you should always do a patch test before putting anything onto your skin. Turmeric is so beneficial for you. Indians have been using it for centuries. It contains antioxidants which provides glow to your skin, and its anti-inflammatory qualities can target your pores and calm the skin. Turmeric can also reduce hyperpigmentation and also help cure acne. Whenever you're working with turmeric, you have to be a little bit careful because the turmeric does stain. Sour cream is a natural exfoliator and boosts the production of your collagen. The active ingredient in sour cream is lactic acid, which naturally removes the dead skin to promote new cell generation. It evens out your skin tone and reduces appearance of fine lines and helps skin retain moisture. We're going to leave it out for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, it has been about 25 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wrap my face with a warm towel. I'm going to leave the warm towel on my face for about a minute. I'm going to go ahead and start wiping it down. We don't need to use a moisturizer because we've just moisturized our skin, but I do like to spray my face using this Mario Badisco facial spray. If you don't have this, that's okay. You can go ahead and use regular rose water, and I'm just going to press it in. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do try this mask, don't forget to give me a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. I will see you next time. Ciao.